This week, we're speaking to Mark Baker-Holmes from Plockmatic as he unveils a range of solutions from the manufacturer at this year's FESPA Global Print Expo. This includes the color-cut FB9500, a die cutter and creaser designed for unattended production.
So we're here at FESPA 2025 on the Plockmatic booth. We've got an exciting range of equipment to show at the show. We've got the FB9500 here, which is the automated flatbed. It's totally unique in the market. It has a camera bar here, which allows you to read automatically from the back of the sheet or the front of the sheet, enabling a much wider range of material. It also loads sheets behind the first sheet to reduce time and to make the machine a lot more efficient. It's not the only machine we're showing here. We've got a number of other machines, including our most popular 2 compact sheet cutters. So let's go and have a look at those. This is the SC6500, one of our most popular cutters. It's a very affordable, compact sheet cutter with a 1,000 sheet feeder, but it also allows you to cut and crease labels and card up to 350 gram or micron. And also at FESPA, because we're a larger format show, we have the SC7000XL. It's a much bigger version, and it uses a wheel to cut and crease, and it will go up to 520 millimeter wide by up to 720 millimeter in length, delivering over 2.5 kilograms, suitable for folders, brochures, or B2 based product. But also Plockmatic have moved into the labeling area, and so we are launching the brand new LCF 500 here at the show, and that's just over here. So this is the LCF 500. It is a roll-to-roll cutting system. It has an integrated single knife cutting system here. We can put on rolls from 10 centimeters, 4 inches wide, up to 320 millimeters in width. So you can choose to use virtually any label printer on the market. It'll also take rolls up to 320 millimeters in outer diameter, which gives you quite a large roll capacity. It's a standard 3-inch or 76 millimeter core. It allows you to add your laminate, so you can use an anti-back laminate, gloss or matte laminate. Comes into the cutter. The cutter includes an entire control station. It will automatically read cut marks, it will read registration marks, it'll even read QR codes, which means if you have a roll of material with mixed jobs on it, because you want to run 300 of one for one supermarket, 400 of another for another, then it will automatically cut the appropriate different labels as it reaches them. At the rear here, it will automatically slit the waste matrix off of the cut labels and then rewind them. But it also has a 6-knife slitting system with an automatic tracking, which means that any degree of movement on the labels is tracked, and it will automatically adjust the knife position to ensure you get a perfect rewind of up to 7 rolls of labels from your 6 slitting knives. This is a very attractive price, and in the UK market, this is sitting at £12,999, so it's very aggressively priced.
Plockmatic are returning to the print show for 2025 with an even larger stand than last year, showcasing a variety of its latest finishing solutions. We asked Baker-Holmes about the industry trends that have informed Plockmatic's latest product developments.
I mean, one of the things that we see is labour is obviously quite expensive. Also coming out of COVID, where lots of people had to deal with staff being off or being sick, there is a desire to make the machines more automated. Trying to automate them so that they run when your staff are not there as well is a key thing. So our flatbeds have high capacities in the auto feeders. The popular FB9500 will take 2,500 sheets. But the QR code read system means that you can mix the sheets. You could have 20 of one job, 50 of another, 30 of another. The automation means that your graphic designer can design the jobs, go to lunch. Somebody else can pick up the sheets, throw them in the feeder, go to lunch. And after they both enjoyed a nice lunch together, all of the jobs will be cut on the cutter when they come back. But more than that, if you assume it takes maybe 38 seconds to cut a sheet, then you're going to cut 100 sheets an hour. So with 2,500 sheets in the feeder, you can literally stack it up at 6 o'clock in the evening and go home. It'll do another entire shift. It's like having another member of staff. So it's a very cost-effective way for companies to make more profit with the staff that they have without adding staff overhead. I think it would be fair to say that the packaging industry is expected to grow with the labeling industry dramatically between now and say 2032. There's a number of different industry reports out suggesting that, and so the Plockmatic Group's focus is to significantly expand its packaging division. It's actually built a business unit, and we've got a number of products launching over the course of this year and the beginning of next year so that we can expand more into larger substrates, thicker media, but also more automation and better solutions for some of the customer needs.